See here, this is my Facebook profile. How to enable for my Facebook video monetization means for earning purpose. Now, first of all, select your facebook.com/pages. So I'm selecting here pages option. In this pages, we have totally showing option call is top suggestion, invite, like pages, and the final one is called your pages. So I have totally 1, 2, 3, and 4 and 5 pages. How to start my Facebook monetization for earning purpose? How to start Facebook monetization for earning purpose? That is called, we can option call is facebook.com/create/studio. Please write down facebook.com/create/studio. So this is a URL facebook.com/creator/studio. Once open this one, we'll check for all pages inside. You can apply for your monetization. That will check for here each and every page. Just they're showing all options. Any Facebook monetization, they're applicable by when page for 10,000 followers. Any video we're watching for 1 minute video, we can watching for 30,000 minutes for within a 60 days of time. 2 months of time, the video will be watching for 30,000 minutes. Minimum watch minute for 1 minute video. The video content will be 3 minutes videos. Upload any number of videos in your channel. The video will be 1 minute or 2 minutes or 3 minutes. Upload the more than minutes of 3 minutes. The people watching for 1 minute for 30,000 minutes means 30,000 people watching for 1 minute video. Your earning will be applicable. That is called two things: 10,000 followers and the 30,000 people watching for 1 minute video means 30,000 minutes watching for within a 60 days of time. Please note down. You can check 3-second video views 0, engagement 0, minute viewed 0, net followers 1. You can check for monetization. See this one. Monetization eligibility, got it. You are eligible, at risk, not eligible. Eligibility, health, activity feeling your eligibility. So you are not eligible for health will be what is called your postings are very important. Your Facebook monetization dependent by the video posting the content. Video posting the content. That is called, you can check your payment settings. You can add your, once payment will be add your bank details. After that, how to post your content. Post something, upload video, go live, post video across pages. You can post one video in multiple pages. You can post one video in multiple pages. The option call is facebook.com/creator/studio and Facebook page also posting for the multiple videos in one video posting for multiple pages also. These all will be important for the Facebook monetization, the applicable by the Creator Studio. Anything check information, go to home page. When will be accept, they will show here, they show your earnings on your monetization option. You can check each and every page. Each and every eligibility health red means non-eligible, nothing but no content will be there. So non-eligible. Go for another one. Eligibility health means is eligible for the page, means that is called activity log will be there. So check here. Next, you can check each and every page. This also eligible health will be non-eligible. When showing for this symbol is called non-eligible. So I can go for this. See this one. This also non-eligible. Why? Because I'm not uploading any content, anything. So this is called, we can enable for Facebook monetization on your earnings purpose. That is called facebook.com/creator/studio option.